Hello violas, there's a little video on Time Machine that I hope will help. Just a few points to practice and remember as you're going through this. In the opening, all right, remember our F naturals, all right, low twos down here. All right, making sure that that F natural is nice and low down there. All right, also we have some C naturals over here in measure 4. Okay, on the F natural, F sharp, you can play 2, 2, just don't slide. Or you can go 2, 3 and have all of your hands a half step apart. That also works, all right? Down here in measure 11, they have a 4th finger on D. I would do that every time we have this theme come back. I would just go ahead and use 4th finger because it's just easier. Then you just stay on the same string. You just do it all on the G string, and that's nice and easier than trying to go over to the D string. All right. Remember to keep it nice and light in the classical era. Notice I'm in the middle of the bow. I'm a little closer to the fingerboard. We have a lot of, I'm sorry, let me back up. Back in the Baroque era, we have a lot of dynamic contrast here. There's piano. Okay, going through that there. All right, remember swinging the 8th notes means that they are uneven. All right, and also let me back up again. Sorry, Romantic era. In the Romantic era, we have something that we haven't had much in the piece. We have a little bit in the classical era, and that's a lot of crescendos and decrescendos. All right, so over these long notes. So at the beginning. So when it gets to be forte, I'm really letting the weight of my arm get into the frog here, all right? I'm getting closer to the bridge so that I can make those contrasts, all right? So I'm actively doing that as I'm moving the bow there in the Romantic era. All right, remember in the Jazz era, 2, ready? We're swinging the 8th notes there. All right, so let's play it straight through, and if you have any questions, you can post it in the comments or just email me or post it on Google Classroom. I'm going to start right in measure 2 there after the 4 measures of rest at the beginning, and I will count all the rest during the piece. Here we go. right, great. That's Time Machine. I hope that helps. Again, if you have any questions, just email them to me or post them in Google Classroom.